Hello everyone, I'm Diamondy. And I'm Firebro. And we're back with the second part of our crossover spectacular between my show. Well, Firebro, I think we're wording this wrong. Your show is season 10, mine's 11. So technically, between his show, The 10th Class for Some Cash, and season 10, and my show, Diamondy's Fun-Filled Brawl, which is season 11. I also realized, I, the kid speaking here, realized that there's something I forgot to mention last episode. So, after all these games happen, there is something else that is going to happen. The contestants remaining in Fire Brothers show will be picking the teams for the contestants on Diamondy's show and vice versa. Yes, everybody, you heard that right. That's the real reason we guys disbanded teams. Is at the very end of this crossover event, your new teams are going to be made by the other show. By the characters in the other season. By the people in the other season. But anyway, for today, it's out of the way. Let us begin today with, so we did one game for both shows last time. So Birdie's game, we did Norwegian's game, we did Bird's game, then Norwegian's game. So, our third game is going to be from Boomerang Bro. Oh, alright. And also, I've decided all games are going to be the duo games or the team group games because I like that idea a lot, actually. Because I like the idea of the team game thing a lot. Alright? Alright. Now, continue. Now we may continue. Boomerang Bro, pick your players. I actually don't know. Can someone else do their game first? You know what? Fine, I'll do my game. And my game is actually going to involve more than just more people than just Fire Bro. I want you and Diamond to be the last two games we do. Alright. Well, then I'll go. Alright, Empire State Building. Then you're up. Okay. Can I have... I require... So, our game... We are going to be splitting you guys into two teams. So, I need 10 people. So, I want 12 people here. 16. I want 4 teams of 4. So I'm going to call 2 people from each show. Those 4 people I call will be team 1. I'm going to do this until I've called 4 groups. Until I've called 16 people, being 4 teams of 4. Okay. First 4 people are thinking. Yes. First 4 people we need. I need Alright. Thwomp. Movie Creeper. Castle Door. And Castle Door and Fire Truck. You guys are team 1. Also, the 4 people on the lowest placing team are out. Anyway, you guys are team 1. Team 2. Snake Block, Gear Train, Treasure Chest, and Cave Spider. You guys are team 2. Team 3. Is Team 3 is Let me think. Team 3 is Gas Fidget Spinner. Fidget Spinner but different. Gear Spinner. And Captain America Shield. You guys are team 3. The fourth and final team. Testing. The fourth and final team is The fourth and final team is Our fourth team for this is I actually don't know. Hmm. Okay, I think I got it. Our last team. Double Cherry Mario. Is he gonna have one contestant or two? Two contestants, but one. It's one person. It's two people. It's technically one person, so it's one contestant. She just a clone basically. So he follows it. He copies everything one of them does. Okay. So in that case, just to make this more fair, we're gonna do a third person. We're gonna make a third person for my show on this team. That wouldn't be fair. You know what? Fine. The other person from their show is gonna be your show. Okay, well, from my show, I'm taking Crazy Straw and Kamek. And then your other person, well, King DDD. So that's the teams. So what's the show? I mean the game. Well, each group is going to have a chance well, it's going to be team trivia, basically. Kind of. So when I call on you guys, so here's the thing. It's going to be a type of trivia called wrong answers only. The way this works is I'm going to ask you guys a question, and you guys have to give me a wrong answer. Give me an answer that is not the correct answer. If you give me if you give me the correct answer, you're out. If you give me an incorrect answer, you can choose somebody from one of the opposing teams to get out. First team to have all four of their players. Actually, I'm going to add one more player from each show onto each team. So 24, 4 teams of 6. To make this more interesting. So I need 1, and 2, 1 and 2 1 and 2, and finally 1 and 2. Now, Mini Mario aside, Clone Mario aside, there should now be 6 people on each team. 3 from each show. The first team to have no players left standing is eliminated from their respective shows. First, are you guys ready for the first question? Wait, how are we gonna figure out how do we know who's supposed to answer which questions? And how are we deciding who gets out on the other on which team? As I will be choosing which team answers which question. First person to say an answer answers the question. And I'll repeat until someone gives me an answer, the right answer, like the answer that an incorrect answer. Basically, and the first person to say an answer answers it, and then I will give you guys a chance. And the person that answered the question gets to choose who they want out of the challenge. All right. First question. First question. If I have $20 and a friend gives me 10 more, how much money do I have? Guys, this shouldn't be any hard question to figure out a wrong answer to. We weren't paying attention to what's the question? If I have $10, my friend gives me 10 more, but then he takes $5 back, how much money do I have? Well, $5. I mean, yeah, that's the wrong answer. I will also reveal what the correct answer was. So the correct answer was 10 plus 10 is 20 minus 5 is 15. So by saying $5, yes, Thwomp, that is an incorrect answer. So Thwomp, also, who do you want out? And it cannot be somebody from your own team. It can, however, be somebody from your own show. Well, hey, Fidget Stick. Can you please leave before the kid starts messing with you again? You realize I was practically giving him to the kid, right? Can I revoke that? No, too late. Really, guys? And I thought I was annoying. Music box, you're not annoying. The fact that the kid keeps using you as a distraction is annoying. I'm right here, guys. Yeah, and I'm the one that's really being messed with. Anyway, next question. If William can put fidget stick down, fidget pipe, fidget tube or whatever, pop tube. Fidget tube, yeah. Please get out of here. Go into our show's elimination bin and pick one person in there. You can go into our show's elimination bin. You should probably get out of here. And to replace you, how about and taking your spot, let's see. Handcuffs, join their spot, and Glowstone, you're rejoining the game in his spot. And Glowstone, you can rejoin the game in his place. Now, on with the second question. Can a tin can? What the hell does that mean? That King Boo, that is an incorrect answer, but that is not an answer, but that is actually not even an answer to the question, so I'm not counting that. So the question is, can a tin can? Well, yeah, of course a tin can. It's a tin can. That is an incorrect answer, Thwomp. What do you mean a tin can? Can a tin can? What do you mean? I still don't understand the question though. What the hell do you mean? Okay, redo. Our second question is, can a matchbox? What the hell does that mean? This is an easy one. No, but a tin can. Mario's. That was the correct answer, you fools. You guys are out of the challenge. Go off to the side, please. Next question then. Remember, incorrect answers. Here's one. Why was 6 afraid of 7? They weren't. Otherwise, the 6-7 meme wouldn't exist. That is an incorrect answer. Better chance, before you make your choice, the correct answer was because 7, 8, 9. Now, who are you getting rid of? Again, not somebody on your team. or group, because half the people on your team aren't in our show. Obviously. Anyway. Um, 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 uh, hmm. Hmm. Cube core. Thanks a lot, William. Unless you were fidgeting with me, I'm now out of this thing. Anyway, next question is when consumed, what does a yoyo berry do? Oh, I know this one. Tennis ball, you're not in this challenge. And also, it's supposed to be incorrect answers only anyway. Sorry. So, what happens when you eat a yoyo berry? Nothing? That is an incorrect answer. Tennis ball, I'll just tell them what it was. You turn metal. How do you know that? It's from BFDI, where I'm supposed to be from. Anyway, I'm getting rid of let's think here. Splatter spinner. Okay. Treasure chest. Your group is the only one that still has 6 members. One, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Okay, next question. What is 2 plus 2? Fish. Correct, incorrect answer. The right answer was 4, obviously. Who do you want out? DDD? Okay, next question. What color do you make by mixing red and blue? Green. Correct, incorrect answer. The right one was purple. Who do you want out? Bead snake. Sorry, guys. You're the only team that hasn't lost the number yet. Next question. If I have a pair of apples, and I eat a pear, how many apples do I have left? if you have a pair of apples and you eat a pear, how many apples do you have left? Well, you would have no apples left. Correct and incorrect answer, Chest. Sweet. The correct answer is you would have 2 apples left. Because there are 2 in a pear, but I ate ate a pear, which is a different fruit. So if I ate a pear, I would still have a pair of apples. Who do you want out? Captain America. Okay. 2 teams are down to 4 members. The other 2 still have 5. Next question. If a tree falls down in a forest, but nobody's there to watch it, does it still make noise? If a tree falls down, but there is nobody there to see it, well, no, it doesn't still make noise. Yeah, you're right. Yes, that's the correct answer. It does make noise. Who do you want out? Gear train. Damn. Okay. So everybody but us has 4 people left. Sweet. I know, right? Well, maybe we had different shows, but we gotta work together on this one. Yeah, none of us want to get out. Anyway, next question. Name me one of the United States of America. So, in that case, you would be telling me to name me something that's not a state. And in that case, Canada is not a state. Correct, Florida. Correct and correct answer. Who do you want out? Dude, if I get what happened, dude. So 2 of the teams only have 1 person left from Fire Bros show. What happens if I get that person out? Dude, nothing. The entire team needs to be wiped out for them to lose. Well, okay then. You said I came to work from our show too. Let's even the playing field up a bit though. Hey, King Boo. Really? Whatever. No, we all have 4 people left. Yeah, the only difference is we're the only one that has more than 1 from each show. Yeah. Anyway, next question. Which of the following is not a country? China, Russia, Kathmandu, or Iran? Kathmandu. Because the other 3 are actually countries. So the incorrect answer to your question would be the one answer that's not actually a country. Wrong. The correct answer would have been which one was not a country. You were asking me which of these. Oh. Well, okay then. Next question. We live on what planet? The Kanto region. Well, I did say to give me an incorrect answer, but that's not even a planet at all. But it was still an incorrect answer, Cass, so sure. Okay, hey Florida. You're gonna mess with with us? Seriously? Suck it. Shut up, dude. Next question. How many letters are in the alphabet? 10. And I'm gonna get, which is an incorrect answer, and therefore I'm getting rid of treasure chest. Damn. Next question. What color is a black hole? I mean, no, if I take a piece of paper and shade it in with the color blue, what color is what color? If I paint that piece of paper blue, what color is the paper? Well, technically, blue would not be the correct answer, because the paper, you're not asking me what color we painted the paper, you're asking us what color the paper is. That's no, okay, well in my scenario, blue was the correct answer, but fire truck, elaborate. So, if it was a blank white piece of paper, and you're saying you colored a blank white piece of paper blue, so you asked us, if I painted a blank white piece of paper blue, what color the paper would be. The paper is still white. We just put blue paint over it. So by saying blue is the color of the paper wasn't blue. It was white. Okay, but the question was, what color is the paper after we paint it? Underneath the paint, it's still a white piece of paper. Diamondy, Fire Bro, do we accept this? Dude, he got you, fair and square. Dude, he got you fair and square. I accept his response. Well, okay, well, Fire Truck, Diamondy gave the okay, so I guess that counts. Who do you want out? Cave spider. You're here too, man? Yeah. Really? Then it's all down to chess keychain. Oh crap. He better make sure he gets all the answers then. Next. And what's there from our show? They're gonna go right for him. They're gonna go right for him anyway. Next question. And unless Chess Keychain gets this right, this might be our last. And unless Chess Keychain answers this one, this might be our last. If you have a cardboard box, wait, here's one. What is the name of the shape that has four sides all the same? Damn it. Think if I'm good at it. Cube. That is an incorrect answer, Kamek. Fidget. Gear. What? Easy targets, damn it. Okay then, next question. If fire is hot, if fire is hot and water is wet, what is ice? Melted. Correct, incorrect answer. Yeah, say goodbye. Poke. Toss. Thanks for playing. Well, there you have it. Well, shit. Damn it! I just joined! How? Too bad, so sad. See you later, dude. Yeah, you guys had fun. Wait for me, damn it, guys. Well, let's just go then. Hey guys, you joining us or what? Oh yeah, we're all still in, aren't we? Yeah, no dice. Let's go. Well, Kingu, I guess we get to live another day. Come on, guys. Yeah. What? You were supposed to let me say that. Damn it. But yeah, Chess Keychain's team got out. Also, whoever just went in there that wasn't Chess Keychain's team, into the EB, into the elimination box, you should not be in there. Okay? Wrong bin. Only people that should have just been added in there are Fidget Stick and the three people that were on Chess Keychain's team, being him, Treasure Chest, and Cave Spider. Okay, good. Next game up is from. Hey, good. That was my game. Okay, now you go in there too, obviously. Remember? Oh yeah. Also, I'm moving you guys into here. A bigger bin. Be better that way. Okay. I'm voting to do root beer bottles game next, so I don't keep risking knocking him his piece off. All right, guys. All right, dude. Yeah, we can do that. Sure. I'll do my game next then. All right. Okay, RBB. Your game is next. Just give me 1 minute, folks. Okay. Root beer bottle. Your game is next. Root beer. Your game is next. Pick your players. All right. I need 3 people from each team. I mean, each game, show, whatever. Our game, we need to do duos. All right. Well, you know what I want, actually? So, here's the catch. We're going to have 4 people go home in this one. But the catch is, we're going to have 2 people go home. Yeah, I need 2 teams of 2. So I need 2 people from each show. The catch here, for my game, I need 4 people from each show. 2 teams of 2. The catch here, though, is you're going to be paired up with somebody from your own show. So, I need Globe and Hair, our one team. Another team, the other team for Fire Brothers show is golf ball and tennis ball. The 2 teams for my show are, well, Chicago Bean and its base, and Lady Liberty and her base. 4 of you will be going home. Now the way this will work, though, is 1 person from each group of 2 is going home. I purposely paired you guys up the way I did, so 4 of you will be losing a friend. So everyone will be losing a friend, basically. Your game. So basically, the way I'm doing this game is going to be a mind thing. Only 1 member of each group can stay. You and your partner must decide which one of you gets out and which one of you stays in the game. You heard that right. This game is about figuring out which of you 2 is staying in the game and which is leaving. Now, let the game commence. So, Golfy, you're gonna... Of course I'm not leaving you, damn it. Wait, there's pushies in the sewer, aren't there? Dude, stop with that, man. So, I'm out of here. Well, that was easy. I guess I'm safe. You're gonna have to try harder if you want to stay in over me. Friend, try harder if you want to stay in over me. Oh, come on. Okay, that's it. Really? Best me. How's this? Best me. Last one's the last one. How's this? Battle. The one that's, how's this? I have a plan. Why don't we play a little game? The one of us that survives gets to stay in the competition. Go. What the? Whoa! The hell are they doing? That's not what I meant by competition! Whoa. I'm okay. Yeah, me too. Well, Globe and Lady Liberty, you two are out. That means you two join your team safe pins. Tennis ball and golf ball? What? What's going on here? Huh? Did I win? No, you two still have to make that decision. And to make it more interesting, if you guys don't decide within the next 30 seconds, I'm choosing for you. 28. So, by the time I count to 30, if you guys haven't chosen, I'm picking. 1, 2, 3. So, for the last time, tennis ball, I'm not leaving. Yes, you are. $30. Tennis ball, since you are closer to your actual show, you can stay in the game. What? Whoa. Golf ball, you're out. Sucker. Suck it. Monk. Alright, that's my game. Who's next? Next up. Okay, next up. Is Bro, you ready now? I'll do it. I'll do it then. Shut it. I'll do it. Thank you, Sylveon. Thank you. I'll do it. Now, here's who I want in this game. I'm gonna do teams. Let's see. 3 people from each. Here we go. I need glue stick. Glue stick. You know what? Actually, glue stick, wait. Here's what I need. I need diamond ore, redstone ore, emerald ore, coal ore, this, and gold. I need you guys. You 6 will be split into teams of 2. You 6, and I also need you guys. I also need, however, yellow. I also need all the stick bots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Double checking that there's only 6 of you guys. Yes, there are only 6 of them, it looks like. Okay, good. Now, your game is... Now, before we reveal the actual game, I actually need 2 other people for this as well. From each team, from each show. I also need I also need I am thinking. Um, 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 uh. Okay. This is actually it. I don't think I need anyone else, actually. Never mind. So, your guys' game is... Well, here's the deal. You guys... So I need each stick bot to pair up and block to pair... I need 1 block to pair up with 1 stick bot. Yoink. Yoinks. I guess I'm going here. Emerald or lapis? Emerald or lapis? Emerald or lapis? Emerald or lapis? Okay. Now that each block, now that a block and a stick bot, now that there is 6 pairs, 1 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there are 6 pairs, 1 having each a block and a stick bot. By the end of this, only 1 pair will be getting out. So, last pair standing, and what I'm going to do, gets to decide which pair is out. So, I actually need a volunteer from the host, from the extra participants that we brought back from the elimination bins, please. For this. Huh? Actually, you can work. I also need the blue one of you. Actually, I kinda need 3 of the same, though. Can I have... For this... Could I have Mob Spawner and Spider Spawner and Blaze Spawner? Spider Spawner and Blaze Spawner, you guys will be safe for helping me with this. And Mob Spawner, you can rejoin. What I'm going to do is you three are going to go here. You three are going to do this. So now, actually, Mob Spawner and Blaze Spawner, go back please. Can I have the 2 Roblox cubes? Actually, no, you two come back. Okay, the Roblox cubes. There's a third R cube too. I'm just gonna dump whatever's in here into something else. Temporarily, I'm gonna dump it in here. Okay. There are 3 Roblox cubes. I'm gonna put Spider Spawner. You guys must look away. Don't watch, kid. Do this off to the side somewhere. Alright. Also, okay. Now, there is going to be 2 rounds of this. Actually, I need also chest keychain, treasure chest, and question mark 10, as well as anybody I'm putting in the bins is safe, by the way. Bouncy ball. As well as green ball. Treasure chest, I actually don't need you. I mean chest, not treasure chest. Treasure chest. Inside of you, I'm going to place football. Anybody placed in a chest is safe. Now, you might be wondering why there's 5 containers. Well, there are 6 groups and only 5 containers. The last team, actually, treasure chest. And Saturn. There are 6 containers and 6 groups. I'm going to assign, there are also 6 people, 1 in each chest. Each team has to open the chest with their correct person. The last team to find their person is out. So, everyone, getting out of the back. So, yellow stick bot and gold ore. You need to find Saturn. Black and white stick bot and coal ore. You guys need to find football. Red tuxedo stick bot and redstone ore. You guys are looking for mob spawner. Purple stick bot and emerald ore. You guys, well, are looking for green ball. Pink stick bot and diamond ore are looking for blaze spawner. And that means the last two are looking for spider spawner. Mob spawner will also be rejoining the game due to this. And everybody else who is in the containers is automatically safe once this is over. Actually, mob spawner, you are not. I promise you can rejoin. So whatever, sure. Now, I'm going to shuffle the bins. You will not. Also, if you find a contestant that is not your own, the team that, if you find somebody who is not the person you were looking for, and the team that person belongs to is safe. Now go. There is also only one person in each box. Okay then. So we're looking for. Seriously, forget already, dude. Football. Right, football. Look, mob spawner then. Well, I think it's obvious where football is. What do you mean? There's only one big enough for him. Get over here then. Wait, just open up. Thanks, football. Dang it. Now come on. See ya, Kolar. Thanks. Where the hell is Saturn? Mob spawner. Redstone. You have any ideas? No, actually. Actually, wait. Mob spawner, spider spawner, and blaze spawner have to be in the Roblox skins. Because those were the only three originally chosen. So that means Saturn and green ball have to be in the other two. Did you say Saturn has to be in something else other than a Roblox box? No. Yeah, he did. Now let's go. So what do you think it's in? Well, question mark is yellow. Let's try him. Okay. Dang it, it's green ball. Why, thank you. Well, then, we know where he is, then. Hey, Trez. Hey, Trez keychain. Thanks. Good luck, Goldor. So, who has who now? Mob spawner. Spider spawner. Blaze spawner. Well, let's go then. Open up. Blaze spawner. Thanks, guys. Now, who is who then? Let's try this one. Thanks, dude. We're safe. Come on, Redstone. Dude, I'm on the same show as you. Also, mob spawner. Saw spawner. Come on. I mean, spider spawner. Come on. Whoop. Really? Oh well. What? See you guys. Whoa, I'm going. Yeah. Bonk. Okay. Next game up. Next game up. Boomerang, bro. You're doing it now. End of discussion. Fine. Whatever. I don't have a game plan though. You're going now. Final answer. Really? Let me think of a game. Damn it, really quick. Spot. Who's left? I think I have something. Can I have the two people? All right, in this game, only 4 people will be getting out. I need 4 from each show then for this. I mean, 6 from each show. 3. Wait. I need 12 total. So there'll be 6 from each show, yeah. 3 groups of 4. 2 from each show. So, 1 group will go. Okay, I need for group 1. I need For group 1, I need ping pong racket, the pickleball rackets, pencil, and Polaroid. Group 2 is Emmett, journal, Wither skeleton, and Wither skeleton and Wario. For the 4th group, I'm asking you to do 5 groups. So, anyway, for the 3rd group, third group 4 groups of 5 is 20. 3 and 4. Four groups. For the third group, I need bow, skeleton, Mjolnir, and zombie villager. For the last group, I need actually wither skeleton. You're going to the last group. On your spot on that group, you're being switched with Castle Elevator. The rest of your group is going to be Gas, Wither, and it's one of two. Netherrack and Soul Sand. One of you is the last person here. Maybe you know what, fine, I'll do it. Oh. Or Glowstone, actually, he works too. So now that we have 4 groups of 4. Your challenge is now here's the deal. First team, so this is going to be a bunch of questions. First team, last team to have 5 correct answers. To have 5 correct answers is out. All right. All right. Hold on, I just realized what's going on. Block formation. I realized the problem. Block formation. I'm pretty sure you were on Diamondy's show. Yeah, so I think maybe, I don't know. Anyway, what does that mean? And it means you're out, doofus. Yeah, and that I'm back, and that we're back in. No, well, you're still out. Block formation is just going to rejoin the game in the correct show, that's all. Oh. Alright. He was going to join the correct show. That's all. Anyway. So I'm going to give you guys 4 items. Name 4 things. The team that can correctly guess which one is the odd one out wins. Gets a point. For last team to 3 points loses. What is the odd one out of apple, between apple, tomato, raspberry, and green bean. Which one is the odd one out and why? The odd one out is green bean because everything else is a fruit. Correct. You guys have a point. Next question. What is the odd one out between Mexico, Canada, Jamaica, and Russia? Russia is the only one not in North America. Correct. Next question. Earth, Mars, Pluto, Saturn. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Correct. Pluto's the odd one out. What about match, lighter, what about marker, crayon, pen, paintbrush? Actually, marker, crayon, pencil. Actually, What about this one? Circle, square, rectangle, triangle. There's one way one of those is different from the others. Which one is it and why? Circles don't have sides. Correct. They're all shapes, but circles have no sides. Each team has 1 point. Next question. A cat, a dog, a sheep, and a Goomba. Obviously, the Goomba's the odd one out. Everything else really exists. Yep. Next question. Next one. Hat, helmet. Wait, no. Level, ruler, tape measure. No. Sorry. Football, baseball, soccer, and basketball. Soccer is the only one that doesn't have ball in the name. Yes. You have 3 points. You guys have 2. Everybody else still has 1. Okay. Next question. A E I Y W. A E I and A E I W. A E I W. Ah, W is the only one that's not a vowel. Correct. 2, 3, 2, 1. Next question. United States, Canada, Mexico, Panama. No, wait. United States. How about this one, actually? New York, New Jersey, New Mexico, New Zealand. New Zealand's the only one that's not a U.S. state. Correct. You four are safe. Sweet. Next. Ice, snow, water. Wait. Earth. Actually. Hmm. Car, star, bar. No. McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. And all right, new questions. Different type of thing. I'm gonna give you 4 things, and you gotta tell me what they all have in common. McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, KFC. They're all fast food places. Correct. Everybody has 2 points. Mario, Sonic, Link, Mega Man. All video game characters. True, but not the similarity I'm looking for. Try again. They're all on Smash Brothers. Yes. They're all on Super Smash Brothers. N64, GameCube, Game Boy, DS. All Nintendo consoles. Correct. Boat, train, plane, car. All forms of transportation. Correct. Everybody has 3 points. Sun, moon. Wait, no. Star, car. Spring, summer, winter, fall. All seasons. Yes, you guys are safe. Wait. Next team to answer the question. Team that answers this last one correctly wins. August, September, October, November. Months of the year. Yeah, you guys are out then. Dang it. Oh well. Okay, guys. Bonk. Bronk. Okay. Next game up is Saratoga. Next game up, Saratoga bottle. Okay, for my game, I actually need a large group of people. 10. I need at least, let's see, I'm gonna need 15 from each. 30 people total. That needs 5 teams. Wait, I need 36 people total. So I need 6 teams of 6. 3 people from each show on each team. Alright? I need, so, on team 1 is New York, Illinois, and Tennessee. And Wii Remote, Game Boy Color, and NES controller. You guys are team 1. Team 2. Grass Block, Iron Block, and Big Diamond Ore. And Diamond Shovel, Diamond Sword, and Diamond Pickaxe. Team 3. Accordion, Drum, and Flashlight, and Mountain, Bowling Pin, and whatever you are. Tricycle bike thing. Team 4. Blue Joy-Con, red Joy-Con, and Switch 1. And Typhlosion, Glue Stick, and Samus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Team 5. Red Star, Boomerang Flower, and Super Mario Disc. And Red Coin, Mario and Yoshi, and Sonic Colors. The last team, well, let's see. Cake Slice, Cake Spatula, and Brain versus Wit and Turnip, Squid, Lego Squid, and Lego Glow Squid. You guys are the teams for this one. Now, this game we have 6 teams of 6. 2 teams of 6 will be each. Now, I'm going to combine you guys now into 3 teams of 12. Because 1 group of 12 is actually going home. So, you guys will mix. Wait a second. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1. Oh, we only have 3 teams. Never mind. I'm stupid. Or something. No, but 1, 2, 3. So now we have 3 groups of 12. One group of only two groups of 12 will make it out of this one. After that, well, after this game we have 4 more. We have 1, 2, 3. After this game there will be 6 more. Okay? Anybody, before we get started with this, anybody who's not a host that is with the games can go back to one of the eliminations, can go back to the season 11. Anybody who's not a host that was eliminated from our shows can go back to their respective elimination bin. Thank you. I know he said rejoin. Sorry, we're going back on that. Everybody else goes in here. So, after my game, there will be 6 others. We'll end the last 2 games will be from Fire Bro and Diamond D. Also, after all of these games have happened, anybody who has not played in a game is automatically safe from elimination. After my game, you're going to figure out what we have left from both shows and make sure Fire Bro Show and Diamond Show the same number of people that have not yet played. Anyway, let my game commence. Just so we're all aware though, my game will be the last one for this episode. Then we will have the next part, which will be the next batch of games. And then the part after that will be more games if those have not been finished. Or if those have been finished, the team picking thing that we need to be doing. But for now, my game is, well, see, so I'm very tall. Your challenge is to stack yourselves up to try and make yourselves as tall as me. Now, your challenge is to try and so your group of 12, just stack yourselves up. And like a totem pole style. The group with the shortest stack, this group that stacks themselves the shortest, well, you know what happens. Now go. Okay, so, yeah, I'm the base of this. You are the flattest. How are we supposed to do this without all of the flat? I don't know, we're gonna try, I guess. Yeah, what else are we supposed to do? Just sit here? Well, no. We're gonna try, clearly. Also, your entire team must be part of the stack. It's really isn't helping our case, now is it? I never said it was. Now come on, just stack. Isn't helping us. Guys, just come on. Yeah. We're probably one of the shortest ones here. Not after. Famous, wait. Never mind, you're on. Alright, let's do this, guys. How are we supposed to do this? Yeah, well, we gotta try something, don't we? Yeah. We do. I guess. Wait, I thought our entire team had to be part of the stack. It does. And why aren't they? Just shut up. Guys, shut up and start stacking. Yeah. It's like you guys think we're actually going to be able to do this. Because I don't see a way we're doing this. Yeah, you think they could have picked a better game. No duh. Like, look at this. Yeah, Turnip's right. Even if we do this, there's still no way for us to do this. Ah, my leaf. Now you know what I'm saying. So, would we forfeit? We're gonna get all sent home if we do. Not like we can stack. Perfect for us. But what about the rest of us? Well, Super Mario Disc, you're the bottom of the stack then. Tower to victory. Everybody else, just tower to victory. We're the tallest stack by far anyway. Yeah. Okay, we're done. Alright, is everybody stacked? We can't stack. Really? What was that you guys said? What? We all need to be part of one stack. Not 2 separate stacks. 3 separate stacks. Actually, wait. Plan. 4. Well, we can fix that. How? This doesn't help us. You fool. We're still not any taller. Oh, I tried. I'm sorry. Actually, wait. I think we are taller than one of them. Not anymore, we're not. Alright, time's up. Yeah. What? You guys are the lowest stack. Really? There. You know what? You guys are the highest and are safe. You two, new challenge. Let's just quit this. Yeah. Okay, well then I guess you guys are also safe. With the rest of our group, well, they don't want to retry this. The rest of the group here doesn't really want to retry this thing, do they? Why would we? It's pointless. Pointless, pointless. Misery, misery, misery. And the rest of you guys are all safe then. Sweet. Safety bin. Yeah, yeah. Come on, SPM. Come on, guys. Yeah. He did it. How? You think we know? Don't think they ever said he did. Come on. Okay. Now. And Saratoga. Also. Now. There are 6 games left. We will start next episode with Gryffindor Rings game. See you very soon. See you then soon. Bye, guys.